The holidays are fast approaching, and of course, you have been searching for the perfect side dishes to round out your table. Here at Acaiguy Cooks is our holiday side dish series, and today's video is Broccoli Corn Casserole. So let's get started. Let's prepare the creamy cheddar sauce. Now let's add the vegetable. Time to build the dish. Set your timer for 30 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Casseroles date back to the 1520s and were previously known as French saucepan that is baked in the oven. That looks great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This broccoli corn casserole offers a delightful balance of flavors and texture. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. This broccoli corn casserole is a perfect side dish for the table. Stay with us. Watch the next video.